I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by recording a baseline reading for 15 minutes at 44. 1 kHz to capture your natural rhythm, intonation, and recurring errors. Replay and identify 3 target sounds that cause misunderstandings. Write minimal pairs for each sound to isolate contrasts. Note contextual patterns, which words, sentence positions, and speaking rates trigger mistakes most often, and mark them in a log. This diagnostic step creates specific, measurable goals and reduces vague feedback, so you know exactly what to practice and why. Focus on targeted techniques. Use mirror work to check mouth shapes, jaw movement, and tongue placement for each target sound, adjusting by tiny increments until you see correct formation. Practice shadowing. Play a native 20-second phrase and immediately repeat, matching rhythm, stress, and vowel length. Do 3 shadowing passes per phrase. Record those passes and compare waveform or spectrogram visuals to spot timing and pitch differences, correcting one parameter at a time to avoid overload and to solidify motor patterns. Adopt a 12-week plan with daily 15-minute drills and 3 30-minute weekly focus sessions that concentrate on your 3 target sounds. Begin each session with a 5-minute warm-up of breathing, humming, and articulation exercises, then move to focus drills, minimal pairs, sentence repetition, and shadowing. Measure progress weekly by counting mispronounced target sounds per minute and logging improvements, adjusting difficulty as errors drop. Consistent, measured practice builds new muscle memory and increases intelligibility for listeners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.